Asamyutastas. It means single and justice, which is taken from Abhinaya Darpana book, which is written by Acharya Nandikeshwara. Patak, Tripatak, Ardhapatak, Kattari Mukha, Mayurakyu, Ardhachandrasya, Arala, Shukatundaka, Mushtishya, Shikarakashya, Kapetta, Katakamukaha, Mushtishya, Shikarakashya, Kapetta, Katakamukaha, Mushtishya, Shikarakashya, Kapetta, Katakamukaha, Suji, Chandrakalasthaiva, Padmakosha, Sarpashirastataha, Mrugashisha, Simhamukha, Kangulasya, Alapadmaka, Chaturo, Brahmarastaiva, Hamsasya, Hamsapakshaka, Samdamsham, Mukudastaiva, Tamrachuda, Trishulakaha, Iti Asamyuta Astanam Astavimshati Kriditaha.